Hello, we are in Vancouver, Canada, and it's winter here. And what is the image of Canada in winter? Oh, it's a white, snowy wonderland, perfect for Christmas, just like in many songs and films we've seen. But actually, it's kind of wet and chilly here, not that much of snow. So it's not exactly what people would picture as the perfect winter destination. So how does adverse weather affect the visitation and the satisfaction with the experience? It's quite a complex question. Actually, we need to consider several different variables when we talk about the relationship between weather and tourist behavior in the destinations. We need to think about the temperatures, the precipitation, and also the destination characteristics, the tourist characteristics, and the special adverse weather events like cyclones, typhoons, or hurricanes, snow blizzards, hail, extreme hot weather as well. So what options do tourists have if in the destination the weather is not as good as they expected? Well, one option is to just stick to the plans no matter what the weather is. So for example, if it's rainy and cold, just cover up more and just do the same activities they were planning to do beforehand. Another option is to adjust the time spent on different activities. For example, spend less time outside doing the hikes and spend more time indoors shopping than originally planned. Another option is to alter the activities. So cancel some of the outdoors activities and spend more time indoors, maybe shopping, visiting museums, or attending concerts or sports events, for example, hockey. Another option, and the most dramatic one, would be to cancel the trip altogether. For example, if there is no snow for a week and you are planning to go onto a ski resort, well, there's no point in traveling at all. But that's the most dramatic option. As climate changes, more frequent adverse weather events and unpredictable weather are expected. Some attractions may disappear or significantly lose their appeal. Some low-level ski resorts already do not sustain a long enough ski season due to lack of snow. Marine tours are also highly affected due to rough seas. These destinations need to diversify and look for new, unique features that they can compete on. That's a great challenge, albeit not the biggest worry we have because of the climate change. Tourists are generally risk-averse, and so uncertainty whether they will be able to undertake activities in the destination that they planned is an obvious obstacle for their enjoyment. So destinations have to take precautions and think about alternative activities that tourists can do in these destinations. And on top of that, tour operators, destination marketers, and other stakeholders in tourism have to continue to focus on climate adaptation and mitigation.